Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
What's your name?
My name's Franky. I got 4 12-inch DC audio level 2. There's an Scar Audio RP2000.
Okay.
That's running everything.
Really? Just a 2K? Okay.
Just a 2K.
Nice.
Yeah.
Did you build the box?
Actually, my buddy, he's not right here right now, but Matt Fogel, he built my box for me.
Okay.
That's my newest box right now. That's my newest.
All right. And do you know the tuning on it?
At this point, we're about 47 hertz.
Okay.
I could get a decent 146.
Okay. Nice. I was gonna say usually with the door because of the music in the background, but it's all good. Sorry about that.
You won't hear the music outside.
Okay. Dude, for just that little lamp on the power, you got good, probably a good efficient built box with a subwoofer cone pressure. All right, man. Give a like to Franky. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Hey everybody, I'm Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed that quick walk around. We got a Franky system. Be sure to give him a like and comment what you like about his system. This was at the Ruckus and Chill Show in Fayetteville, North Carolina area. Really impressive demo for only 2,000 watts. I really like the box layout with the double arrow port system. Pretty sure those are 6.5 or 8-inch arrow ports. Didn't find out, but based on the sub ratio. And the amplifier is on the side of the box, either on the side or underneath the seat. Didn't really get a good up close for everything. This was a little older video, so I didn't get as much detail. Sorry about that. But it does have an extra battery in the back. You can see the red top. No other alternator upgrades, I don't think. At least I didn't notice underneath the hood when I was looking. These subs, I looked up on the specs. They're rated at 600 watts RMS, so one of the lower end subs. So 4 of them in an efficient box on 2,000 watts before clamped power rise. I'm sure he's giving them around 400 watts each to the sub, so a little bit underrated on the amplifier, but it is really impressive you're going to see during this demo. 2,000 watts on 4 12-inch subs. Definitely impressive. Usually in a hatchback system like this, subs up, port back is most optimal for like 90% of vehicles. So be sure to give them a like. We're getting to the demo now. Subscribe for daily videos and enjoy.
All right, you ready?
Yeah, man. Do what you need.
Seen a white person before, jaws all on the floor, like pale and calm, just burst for the door, started whooping her ass, worse than before, they worse than before, someone
Wow. Dude, for just that little lamp on the power, you got good, probably a good efficient built box with a subwoofer cone pressure. But thank you for the demo. It sounds pretty good, man, for what it is.
Thank you.
Awesome. What was your name again?
Franky.
Franky. All right, man. Give a like to Franky. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.